So welcome back again, guys. So next video is on free SSL certificate for your site. In the last video we have discussed about infinity free hosting. So let's log in, sign up in the client area or our control panel. So first of all, in the last video we have go to the softwares and click on Cloudflare and enable the Cloudflare, okay, from here, right? So next step we will open our email address. We will find two email address there. One is for password change of the Cloudflare. We will automatically receive two email when we enable the Cloudflare from infinity free. So first, for changing the password, after we click on changing the password, our account is created. So when we log in to our Cloudflare, we will see look like this page. Click on send verification email and verify your account regarding the same, okay. So next step is, after we verify our Cloudflare, so you can also create separate account with the Cloudflare. So here is the link. This type of link you will get and verify. Click on active. In the Cloudflare, you will when you will log in, I will show you again. And when we get verified with the Cloudflare email link, we can log in to Cloudflare again, okay. There will be no such type of link error or thing in which we will ask to send verification. So we will look like this one. Click on active, okay, and SSL TLS, and here you will look like this one, okay. So click on origin server and click on create certificate. Keep it default, which is the default setting. Press tab in your keyboard. It will look like this one. Make it default, don't make any change in it. One of them is a certificate, another one is a private key. So as you know, SSL is makes secure tunnel for your site, okay. So we have to copy and paste this certificate to our web server, okay. So for this we have to log in our hosting provider site, okay, in the client area. So when we log in, we have to click on correspondence account for which we want SSL, okay. So in security tab, click on SSL TLS and click on configure. When we click on configure, you will be look like this one, okay. So from here you have to copy your private key or origin certificate. So first of all, we will copy our origin certificate and copy this one and paste it in certificate, okay. And another one is private key, okay. So copy this one from here and paste it. Copy, okay, and paste it in private key tab, okay, and update key. Okay, so our certificate is ready to work with our site. Okay, but wait, it takes some time to configure the SSL and another setting on your server, so wait for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, when it be ready for you, it will be show secure in your site. Okay, so first of all you have to change the setting from here. Here you have to it will be anywhere here, so you have to click on flexible, and next step you have to enable HTTPS from here. Next step, okay, or click on here on every setting, click every setting on position. Okay, click on next step, and here is our key that we have created. Okay, or certificate we can say. Click on this on position and click all the settings in turn on. After 3 hours later, we will check our site, is that working or not. So let's check. From here it is showing SSL is not working. We will open private tab. From here it is working. Do you know why? Because our browser store DNS cache and another cache to make our browsing fast. So you have to flush your cache from this command, and let's check is that working or not. It's not working. Actually it's working on another device, it's working. So for me, because my browser stored the cache, I have to clear my cache. Okay, because there is some changes from the server side. DNS cache don't update that much fast on browser, and it also make benefit for the fast browsing. So many times it is beneficial and many times it is not. So I have to clear my all cookies and cache from here. You can clear this from your browser also, but I'm clearing from here. Let me clear all these things, all these cache, and let's check. Boom, that's the okay. So our site is ready with the SSL certificate and it is now secured. Okay, so another way to secure your site is install WordPress. Okay, I will show you from demo. This time I'm showing just demo. Okay, we have to log in our site, or admin and password. This password is already shown in demo. It is demo. Okay, so you have to go in when you install your WordPress. You have to go into plugin and add new. Okay, and search for the plugin which is named Cloudflare Flexible SSL. Okay, so you have to install this one. I'm not installing it. I'm just providing you a path, another way for SSL. For this you don't need any private key, public key set in your server side. You just install WordPress, but your account should be there on Cloudflare. Okay, so another way is you have to, as we usually know, you have to go to your domain provider site. So when we click on that, firstly we will log in our domain provider site and click on change the name server from yours and click on DNS. For me, your DNS zone is, because I have activate my Cloudflare or enable my Cloudflare from Infinity Free. That's why they are partnered with each other. So I am continuing with the another site. For example, giving you an example of my site. Okay, so from here you have to change your name server. Okay, here is the thing you have to change in your domain. You have to replace these things and delete all the name server and replace with these thing. Okay, name server 1, name server 2. Okay, as mentioned here. So all another setting of Cloudflare remains same for all steps. Like you have to enable SSL and you have to click on flexible and click on turn on all the security setting.
Thanks for watching.